With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have to select the correct order of increasing geological timescale for the hypothetical vertebrate evolution. Now, by increasing geological time, we mean ascending order. That is, the time which came first, we have to place it first, and the time which came later, we have to place it later. So, we all know that even before human beings arrived on the scene, many different life forms developed and they were even wiped out. They became extinct before human beings could evolve. So, the earth has a very extensive geological history, and after the origin of life on earth, the life which had evolved was constantly undergoing changes because of evolutionary forces, and over a long period of time these evolutionary changes have led to the appearance of various different kinds of life forms, both plants and animals. So if we talk about the vertebrate evolution, what are the vertebrates? They are the higher animals in which we are going to place many different categories. We have the fishes, then the amphibians, after this came our reptiles, and then finally we had the birds and the mammals. So all of these groups are going to fall under vertebrates, and if we talk about the evolution of vertebrates, we are broadly going to divide the geological history into 4 different eras. First, we have the earliest Proterozoic era. At this point, life was very simple, and if any animal life was found, it was quite primitive. Then in the Paleozoic era, we saw that there was a lot of diversification. A lot of evolutionary change was happening because earlier in the Paleozoic era, during the Permian or the Ordovician period, we saw a lot of different invertebrates. Then after that, in our Silurian period, the vertebrates had evolved, but at this point we only had the jawless vertebrates. And after this, in the Devonian period was known as the age of fishes. So by now the fishes had developed. After this we had our Carboniferous period, when the fishes had started invading land, and by now we had the amphibians. So Devonian period was the age of amphibians. And after this, by the Permian period, the reptiles had begun to evolve. So next, after the Paleozoic era, we had the Mesozoic era, which is further divided into the Triassic, the Jurassic, and the Cretaceous age. And throughout this time, the dinosaurs or the reptiles were dominating the earth. And towards the end of the Mesozoic era, towards the end of our Cretaceous age, the dinosaurs became extinct. So now when we enter the Cenozoic era, we are going to see many higher forms of life. After the reptiles, by now the birds and mammals had also evolved in the Cenozoic era, and even in the reptiles, apart from the dinosaurs, we saw many of their descendants which are found even today. So the crocodiles, the turtles, tortoises, the lizards, all of these were also seen. So the modern reptiles and the birds and mammals had evolved by the Cenozoic era. So we are going to say option D is our correct answer. Proterozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. These are the different eras into which we divide our geological time to study the vertebrate evolution.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.